Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the document and configuring the workspace so you can work efficiently. Open File, choose New, set units, page size, and DPI, then import any reference images. Once done, select the appropriate workspace preset, illustration, or web because tools and panels change. Make sure rulers, grids, and snapping are enabled to align objects precisely. This saves time later. Finally, organize layers and name them. You will need that structure when combining vector shapes and bitmap elements. You now construct the artwork using Corel X7's core tools and non-destructive techniques. Start by tracing or drawing paths with the pen or Bezier tool and refine nodes with the shape tool. This gives precise control. Then apply fills, gradients, and outlines through object properties and save common settings as styles so you can reuse them. Once elements are ready, group and align with the align and distribute commands, and use PowerClip to nest content. This keeps complex layouts organized and editable as you proceed. You complete the job by preparing files for delivery and verifying integrity. First, convert colors to the target mode, flatten or rasterize complex effects where required, and choose the export format: PDF for print, PNG for web. Set bleed and compression appropriately. Then use the publish or export dialog to embed fonts or convert them to curves. If something goes wrong, check missing fonts, replace low-resolution images, and reset a corrupted workspace by restoring defaults. This usually fixes unexpected behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.